my iPhone ring lights, you guys, that will be available very soon. Just so y'all know how it looks without it. Hold up. Put my hair up because it's annoying me. Anyway, it's about to start budgeting for next month for my business and my tools and things like that. And I was just like, let me stop by real quick. You don't know, I'm looking a little, crazy, but still cute. You know what I'm saying? Relax right now. And I was like, let me jump on real quick and just share with you guys something that has really helped me save and budget without much effort for my business and everything, and it's called the Digits app. Now, the Digits app is a really cool app, and I heard about it from another YouTuber who uses it for the same reasons for her business and things like that. And I was like, okay, let me see and let me try this. And the good thing about it is that when you refer people, they give you a customized link for setting up your auto save. So basically, it's like you don't even put much effort into it. You literally just set up your app, you connect it to your bank, and depending on your amount each week or like every day or each month, it'll deduct something from your account balance without you even noticing it, like $1, $2, or $5. And that's something that you use every day where you won't really notice it or whatever. So they do that, and before you know it, within a week or 2 weeks, you'll even see that you saved up without even going in and putting aside or withdrawing money to put aside savings on your own. But you can do that on the app, which is really good. Or you can add money to a certain goal that you set. So it's like I had certain goals, which was like my launch of certain businesses, certain goals to launch those businesses. I had goals for like my iMac desktop and things like that. You can set goals and set a date where that goal will literally work for itself without you even having to do anything in an app. They even have really cool things where they have cash bonuses just for you referring your friends. So just like if I refer you guys, if I get 5 of you guys to sign up within 7 days, like by next Friday, then I'll get $250, which is like a fun way to just create a passive saving income. So check that out, you guys, and my link is down below. So whenever you download the app and set up your auto save, I'll get $5, and then you can just refer your friends and then start getting, those little cash bonuses. And before you know it, you'll be saved up by the end of the year for your businesses and your YouTube channels and your equipment and stuff like that. So I just thought I'd just hop on really quickly to just tell you guys about that. But I'll be coming by every week to upload videos, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.